So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio in Windows 11. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, open Chrome browser and search for download Visual Studio. You can see download Visual Studio code, click on it and click on Windows 11. Your Visual Studio code will download automatically. If doesn't download automatically, you can click on direct download link. Here you can see it is downloading. Here you can see it has been downloaded. Click on it and then choose I accept the agreement and click on next. Click on next, again next, then again next and click on install. You can see preparing to install. You can see Visual Studio has started installing in your PC. You can see it has successfully installed. So that's how you can install Visual Studio in Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.